All right, so good evening again, everybody. Welcome to Forex Empire. I just want to quickly share the recent updates with you, right? All right, I think some people in a particular group I belong to, I think some people watch some of my videos and all that. So some of them were wondering, due to my trading style, like, are they sure it's not a demo account I'm actually trading? I was like, I don't trade demo accounts, right? The only demo account I trade are prop accounts. Every account I'm trading, I do a video on. They are all real accounts, right? All right. So someone submitted this account to me today. Yes, today, this morning, this 11:47. So he submitted this account to me today, right? You can see where this thing is when he funded the account. He funded the account as of yesterday. $200. So I took up the account from here. Now I told you something. I said I don't. Some people were complaining that I am a very slow profit maker and all that. I am actually a slow profit maker. I won't lie to you. I'm a slow profit maker, but a consistent. I'm consistent at making profit. You know, but I'm very slow at making profit. Why? Because I'm not an indicator trader. It is only indicator traders that make $100 within 5 minutes, right? And they lose the $100. They When you make $100 within 5 minutes, right? It's going to take you just 2 minutes to lose $500 just like that. So we don't rush here, right? Let me show you when I first started trading the account. These are my trades here. Boom, 500. You can see what I'm trading with. I started trading with 0.25. Boom, 500, 0.25. You can see I was trading with very low lot sizes, right? And now we are here. Okay, so I'm going to show you a secret. For if you are really interested in learning how to trade, like, I'm going to show you a secret on VIX 100. How do you take very long trades on VIX 100? VIX 100. I'll have to be sincere with you. VIX 100 is one of the pairs I've used to raise this account. I'll show you how much we have made today alone, right? So VIX 100 is one of the um, is one of the tricks I've used to raise this account, to this level, right? I have been trading VIX 100 since morning. I traded it from here down here. When it retraced here again, I traced it down here, traded it down here again. I was on two trades actually, yeah, but I actually closed one and I'm left with one. I'm going to close this trade right now, right? I'm going to close this trade right now, right? Oh, I was on crash 500 just now, but it just closed, but it's fine. So let us check how much profit are we on right now. Excuse me, please. How much profit are we on right now? Okay, I have my boom 500. Why are you doing this now? All right, so we are on $303 right now, right? From 200 to $303 right now. So we've made a profit of $100 today, right? The profit making system was slow. You can see my VIX 100 giving me $21, right? This lot size of 0.35, in case you don't know, it's a very low lot size, right? The lowest lot size for VIX 100 is 0.2. So if I'm using 0.35, then you should know that it's a very low lot size, right? So I mean, we are on an equity of 305, and what's it called? And let me quickly show you. I didn't start trading this account from here. This minus 900 and whatever. That was not me. That was the owner of the account. I don't know what they traded there, but this is where I started trading the account from. Yes, from it was the balance was 200, right? The funded 200, and I picked it up. So today, let's go to today, right? Yeah. So I picked it up, and this is where we are right now. So how much have we made today? We have made $85, right? But if you calculate what we have here right now, you can see we're already on 306, meaning that what? Meaning that we have made $100 profits today. $100 profit on $200 equity. I think is not bad, right? With an assurance that the account will not be blown. I mean, it's not that bad. But for those people that don't have an assurance that the account will not be blown, I mean, those are the people that make $100 within Sorry, they make $100 within 5 minutes, make $500 within five. That's not my trading style. I'm not an indicator trader. I trade basically price action. So there's no way I will make $100 within 5 minutes, $500 within 5 minutes. You understand? So what we are just going to do on this account is that we'll continue making $100 every day on this account without the risk of losing the whole funds. I think it is better to trade, be consistent with your profits without risk of losing your funds. I think it's better that way. Make little profit. $100. I mean, $100 is not really that bad daily, right? We made $100 here today. Tomorrow we make another $100. Before the week runs to an end, we would have made about $700, right? Before you know what happens, we'll push the account up. $1,000 and all that. Once we have $1,000 equity or $500 equity, the profit will be making daily we also increase as well. You understand? So we don't rush accounts, right? We don't rush accounts. We trade with caution and all that. So $100, right? That's how much we have made today. So this is a confirmation again. This is a confirmation that we don't. Number one, this is not a demo account like I just showed you. It is an account I'm managing. I started managing this account today. I showed you where the account was funded. As of now, we've made $85, right? You can see all the lot sizes we started with. Very, very extremely low lot sizes, right? About the lowest lot size. You understand? So for people that know my trading style, I told you I don't risk your capital, right? What I risk is my own profit. I make little profit first. I make little profit, maybe about $10, $20. Then I now risk that $20. It is the $20 I have now made, and I now risk to make higher profit. Sometimes I lose the whole of the $20. Sometimes I make more. You understand? But nothing happens to your capital. I don't touch your capital at all. This particular account, the drawdown on this particular account today, as far as today is concerned, I think the lowest we have ever gotten to on this account was minus I think minus $3. So I think our drawdown has been $197 all through. That's how much I've been. Ever since I've been trading. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say, right? The only amount, okay, at the point our equity went down. For those that understand what a drawdown is, right? So there was only -3. You understand? My drawdown on this account has been -3. You understand? Ever since. That's been good. That's a very good way of trading, right? So in case you want to learn this trading style, especially for VIX 100, VIX 100 is a very sweet pair, right? I'll show you. Seriously, if you start trading VIX 100, I'm not talking about indicator traders. So many people see indicators on my too many people see indicators on my charts and they are confused. They're like, this guy says he doesn't trade with indicators, yet indicators are on his chart. I don't trade with these indicators. I just don't like the idea of my what's it called, of my charts being. I don't like the idea of my chart taking the whole of my screen. I don't like that at all, right? I don't like that at all. So I basically allow these these indicators to be there. Let me see. Let me even cancel one of them so that you'll be sure I don't trade with indicators. These indicators are not showing me anything at all. I am not seeing anything from them. You understand? I just like them being there. You understand? So some people are always asking me for the settings to my indicators. I always tell you, I will give you the settings to my indicator, but I'm not going to take responsibility for whatever happens to your account. I did not guarantee you and all that. It's just something I saw on some funny YouTube videos and all that, and I decided to do what's it called. So come for account management, right? If you have $200, come for account management. I assure you that you make $100 every day without the risk of losing your capital. Now that's how price action. So that's how price action traders trade. You understand? Those that don't trade indicators, that's how we actually run our trade. So as for today, we'll be leaving this account on on how much, on $100 profit, and that will be the end, right? Okay, so let me quickly show you something, guys. I have access to a particular account, right? I have access to a particular account that someone is trading, some magnificent trader. The guy calls himself a magnificent trader, and I'm not trying to mock anyone or something. I'm just trying to show you the difference between trading with indicators and trading with price action. Now check out this equity here. Check out the what's it called? We have minus $81,000. Now I have to be very sincere. The particular person trading this account built this account up from I think about $10 down to this 137, and right now on a single day is already on minus $80,000. You understand? Now that is exactly what is going to happen to your account if number one you trade with indicators, and number two you expect making, because I've seen so many people complaining this guy makes slow profits, like they don't like the idea of slow profit. I was trading a prop account for someone and it was like this guy is making slow profits. I mean, and before you know what happened, the guy jumped into the account, traded the account by himself, and boom, wasted all the profit I made and he destroyed the account. I had already passed the evaluation. That's a story for another day though. So come for account management, right? Come for account management. Let us manage your account, learn how to trade from us. Buy prop account if you want to become a real time millionaire this year, right? Prop account is one of the ways to become a real time millionaire this year, right? So I would just like you to buy a prop account. Let me manage it. Buy a 50K prop account. I assure you that I'm going to pass the evaluation, right? I'm going to pass the evaluation one. We are going to get a real account, and I'm going to trade the real account, and you're going to make real $12,000, right? I think to pass a 50K challenge, a 50K prop challenge, right? You have to make 12,000, around $12,000. Yes, I'll make that $12,000 without eating 5% draw now. Yes, I've done it before. I'm going to do it again, right? So buy that kind of big account and let me trade it, right? Let me trade it. Let an expert trade it for you. We'll just come to a consensus. We'll talk about how we are going to walk around. What's it called? But it's one of the sweetest ways to become a millionaire. I've told the owner of this account, when we trade this account to an extent, right? Let us buy a prop account from here. Let's raise funds from here to buy a prop account. Buy a prop account and let me trade that. That's a different level. That's a different line of trading entirely, right? It's a different ball game entirely, right? And it's very sweet. It makes you a millionaire within a very short period of time. So come for account management, right? Come for account management. Come for prop account management. I need to let you know this, that for those of you buying prop accounts and you want to trade it yourself, I think someone bought a prop account and he told me to share with him the indicator setting, this particular indicator setting here. I was like, guy, if you trade with indicator, right, on a prop account, I promise you 100% you are going to blow that account. And it was like, no, I should just help him out. I said, okay. I gave him the what's it called? I give him the settings, and I mean, whatever happens with it, I don't know anything about it, right? I don't trade with these indicators you are seeing here, right? Let me show you an example of a trade I took and why I took the trade, right? Look at this VIX 100, for example, right? I took the trade because something happened here, right? So I'm going to be sharing with my VIP people, right? Something happened here. You understand? I actually use bigger time frame, which is 30 minutes. I use 30 minutes time frame for my VIX 100. Then I use 5 minutes time frame to confirm. Let me close this trade. I think it's trying to recover. So let's just close it first. 3 of our we are still good. Yeah. So it is something. There's something I saw here that made me take this trade. That made me sell this trade, right? So if you are thinking that it is one indicator, I don't trade with indicators. You understand? So you don't these things, if you want to become expert at them, you want to make money every single day without having to lose anything at all, right? Then the best thing is to trade with price action. I actually trade with price action in combination with candlestick pattern, right? Using different time frames, using higher time frames to confirm the trend of the market, then using lower time frames to spot a perfect entry. right? I combine so many things together, you understand? And every single day we make profit like that, day in, day out, right? Once your equity is good, we'll make profit. $10 is not an equity. I traded an account of $10 for someone last week, but we had an understanding that we could blow the account. Fine. We flipped the account to $70 in one day. Fine, that's good. But $10 is not an equity, it is a risky equity, right? There's no trader that has a guarantee to be able to trade that kind of account. So look for $200, look for $500. If you're able to get $500, I think I can assure you that we will be able to make $200 to $300 every day. If you can get an equity of $1,000, we should be able to make about $400 every single day without risking your own funds. I know what I'm talking about, right? VIX 100 is a blessing. That's my best VIX pair. It's a blessing, right? There's a way we just find our way around it, and before you know it gives so much profit, right? Then we do a little bit of boom and crash. For example, let me show you Crash 300. I've been selling Crash 300 today. Crash 300 has been on a very long sell string, yeah. So I've been selling. I was able to capture Crash 300 from somewhere around there. I sold it all the way down. Seriously, so it's been a very good one. So till we meet again, don't let me bore you guys. Till we meet again, come for account management, buy proper accounts, and let's manage them for you. All right, Forex Empire loves you all. Thank you very much, everybody. I'll be expecting you in my DM. Thank you.